In this video, I'll show you how to download Canva Sheets as CSV. So to get started, go ahead and open canva.com on your preferred browser and then sign in to your Canva account. Go ahead and click on that specific Canva sheet that you want to export as CSV, and that will take you into a new page. So in this page, go ahead and wait for this to load, and then once this loads, click on that share button which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So make sure to finalize your Canva sheets first before you export it as a CSV file. So once it's finalized, click on that share button at the top right of your screen, click on download from here and set the file type to CSV. Now once this is set, go ahead and click on the download button to proceed on downloading this Canva sheet as a CSV. And that is how you can basically download Canva sheet as a CSV. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.